Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
If you search for relaxing music on YouTube, you will see that the average views of videos of this kind are truly amazing. And if you check these channels on Social Blade, you will find that they can generate monthly income in the range from $3,500 to $149,000. If you want to create your own original music, but don't have any knowledge about it, artificial intelligence can do it for you in just a few clicks. And to create music videos, you don't need complex video editing with video editors. In this video, I will show you how to create music videos using free artificial intelligence tools and earn money. It takes only 2 steps: generating music and creating a video. You will find links in the description below. Step 1. Generating music. In this video, I will show you 3 free AI tools for generating music. Part 1. Beatoven AI. Go to Beatoven AI to generate music. Click the Sign In. You can sign in using a Gmail account or email. Click the New Track button to start creating your music. Type your music title. Set the music duration. In free plan, the maximum music length is 5 minutes. In the premium plan, you can generate up to 15 minutes of music. Choose your music tempo. Click Next. Select your music genre and click Apply to continue. Select the music emotion you want and click Apply button to start generating your AI music. Click Play button to listen. If you don't like the result, you can select an alternative tracks. You can change instruments, change genre or tempo if needed. Also, you can adjust the music volume. After you get the music you want, click the Download Track button to download your AI music. Select your desired file format. Click Download. Part 2. Tracksy AI. Go to Tracksy AI. Click the Sign In. You can sign in using a Gmail account or email. Click the Tracksy Create button to start creating your free AI music. You only need 3 clicks to create your original music. First, select your music genre or mood. Next, select music length. You can choose between 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. Finally, click the Create My Track button to start generating your free AI music. After the generation process is complete, you can play your track. If you don't like the result, you can click Tracksy Create button again to generate new AI music. If you like your music, click the Save button. To download your AI music, go to the library and click the Download button. Remember, you will need to put a license or attribution in your content description. Click the Download button. Part 3. Waveformer AI. If you are looking for an artificial intelligence music generator that generates music based on user prompts, try this free AI music generator. Go to Waveformer. Type your prompt. Set your track length. Maximum length is 30 seconds. Click Make Music button to start generating your AI music. This music generator is suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or other content that requires unique and short music. As a result, you will get music and video formats. Download them by clicking the appropriate button. Step 2. Creating a music video. Go to Canva and sign in. Click the Video button. Click on Elements. Click on Videos. Type the video style you want in the search bar. Choose the video you like and click on it to place it to frame. Right-click on it and select Set Video as Background. Upload your AI music from Step 1. Drag and drop your audio file to the timeline. Click the plus button to add another video so that the length of the video matches the length of the audio. Repeat the steps until the end of your audio file. Once everything is set, click the Share button. Click Download. Choose the MP4 video format. Make sure you select all pages and then click Done. Click Download. Now let's look at our final result. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.